guys, welcome to the how-to channel. As you can see right here, I have one LED strip cable installed right underneath these garage shelves. How to connect and how to set up this layout you can check out in this video right here. But more importantly, with this LED strip cable I got also this remote control, and today I'm gonna show you how to change battery and how to operate with this remote controller. Now this remote controller uses CR2025 battery, and you can see that mark right here on the back side of your remote controller. And these CR2025 batteries, basically you can buy them in your local store, or you can check out links in the description. I got them right there in the links. It's pretty easy to change this battery. You just have to know where to push. You have this small groove right here, so basically you need to put your fingernail there and you need to push it in this direction. Push it in this direction and then take this groove and pull everything to the outside like this. All batteries right here. Let's take a new one. Let's change it. As you can see, the battery is placed upside down into this housing, and now just place it in a remote control. That's it. I think it's pretty clear on how to operate these remote buttons, but we will go through that also. Now the input unit for this remote controller is this white part right here. You have to be careful if you try to adjust it from a distance. Maybe it won't reach it every time, or maybe you have to move your remote controller up and down. As you can see, it's not catching every time, but if we come closer like this, now it's working every time. Okay, so basically to go through these options, right here we have red, green, blue and white, and now we have different variations of each color. For example, purple or bluish or rosa, yeah, and so on. Right here on these two buttons you can increase or decrease the intensity of light, and down here you just have a different modes for light show, let's call it like that. Each one of these modes is just a different sequence for different colors to be lighting on your LED strip. For example, if we take flash, there you have it. Or if we put it on auto, there we have it. That's basically it. It's very easy and simple to change this remote controller battery, and it's actually very easy to operate with this LED remote controller. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so you can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.